Let's move on. Scotland's takeaway scene, let's be honest, never disappoints. There they are. Big it up, Scotland. Okay. Bold flavours, big portions, loads of heart. Let's take a look at the nominees.
Takeaway of the Year Scotland region. Finalists are Azad Takeaway, Invergurry, Dundee. Slumdog Delivered, Edinburgh. Gurkha Kitchen, Fraserburgh. A Touch of Spice Takeaway, Coatbridge.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Gurkha Kitchen, Fraserburgh. Congratulations.
Last year we winner as well. The last year we didn't manage to come. We thought we will not win. We didn't came, and then this year we thought maybe we'll try.
Yeah, you got to attend. You got to attend the ARTA. I'm glad you came. Congratulations.
Thank you.